Hey, it's Ryan Moats, and we're here with Brody Rascoon's 7-year-old Gray Gelding. And no, that's the first time I've got to see him. We just finished doing all the still shoots, still pictures, and he took it good. There was horses running all over the place. He's overall, reasonably calm. Um, he's 7 years old. He's probably, he's probably 14-2. Cute little gray horse. He kind of still has a little younger look to him. Kind of got the black mane and tail. Um, he's got shoes all the way around. He's got sliders on the back, and no, we're gonna go around to him and kind of look at him. But seems good. He's calm, pretty gentle, pretty easy mannered. Like I said, he's got regular shoes on the front, and on the back end he has sliders on the back. Yeah, sliders on the back. But we'll get a saddle thrown on him and chase a few steers. We just got done running some on Cowboy, and I've never seen him before, so I didn't really know what we were expecting. And he felt like a really solid, nice horse for a 7-year-old hill horse. I probably heeled 5 or 6 on him, and then switched him over and headed a couple. Headed 3 steers on him. Then I went back and healed the very last one. Um, he took it good. We had at first, I ended up letting his head out before I healed the last one, just a notch or two. We got a rawhide tie down and a Kerry Kelly correction with a 7 shank on it right here in him. And the bridle felt good. I think, you could go either way on him. He didn't feel like there was a reason why you couldn't ride a leather tie down on him or anything. Loped around good. Like I said, we put it on him pretty quick right here before dark. And like I said, we probably run 10 or 12 on him right there in a hurry. And he took it all pretty good. Never got wound up too much. We scored a couple, but not a lot. I walked him in and out often, and he took it all pretty good. All in all, pretty good horse. He didn't feel like he was, he felt like there was no reason why he couldn't step up and be a little higher level hill horse. Um, but he felt, he rode around good. He felt like he'd fit for a lot of different levels. He didn't feel like he was, he had enough run to rope in some of the higher numbered ropings in the heeling, and I think you could probably head and heel on him in a wide variety of ropings, and I'm not going to say just from the 12 down, but basically, he felt like he was plenty good. World Series barrier in the 12 and stuff. Good finish in the face, face pretty good. And heeling wise, he felt fairly strong to the horn. Like I said, he felt like he felt like a horse that fit a wide variety of ropers. So, all in all, like I said, he's cute. He took it pretty good. This is him just kind of hanging out. Like I said, kind of big pet. So, pretty good horse. Cowboy was pretty good.